Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled. But you can always disable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down, and click on Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll down again, and thanks to this switcher next to Auto Rotate feature, turn on or off auto rotation. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!